What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow Prodigy. If it is your first time on this channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. In this video, we're going to be going over how to shove it. Let's get into it. So the bodyboard shove is when you're in that drop knee stance and you're using the leg that's laying down on the side to flick out, making the board do a 180-degree spin underneath you. Now for the body placement. You want to start off in a normal drop knee stance, and whenever you're ready, you want to get that leg that is lying down and turn it completely diagonal across the board. Now this is going to be the most important part for when you're first learning how to do this trick. You actually want to curl your toes around the edge of the board so you have an easier flick. And whenever you're ready, you're just going to bounce straight up into the air, and as you're popping up, that leg that is lying down across your board is then going to flick out to the side. Now if you don't put equal effort into both the pop and the flick, one of three things will happen. You're either going to focus too much on the pop and the board won't flick at all. The board will flick all the way, but you won't have a centered landing. Or you're just going to end up missing the board entirely and wipe out. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And since you're still here, might as well show some more love and hit that bell-shaped icon. That's the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you on the next one.